Let's create this beautiful Load More button using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. We can set Load More button any layouts. For example, I set General Layouts. Create a style. Set a name and save. Successfully create our layout. To set Load More button, go to Advanced Settings in Pagination Options. Select Load More button from drop-down menu. Successfully added Load More button. If we want to add design and customization, there are more options. We can edit button name. We can also change the font style to any desired option. Change alignment what we want. For example, I set a background color. And also set a hover color. Set text color white. Now it looks good. You can customize for your choice. We can also set border, box shadow, border radius, padding, and for example, I set 50 pixel margin. Save the layouts. We can use the shortcode anywhere, but I use the shortcode Publish the layout in a page. Copy the shortcode. Back to dashboard and create a new page. Set a title. Paste the shortcode. Publish and view page. This is our beautiful and stunning Load More button design. Thanks for watching the video.